Hi, from Dcupcakes. Today I will show you how to make angel feather icing. You will need sugar, egg whites, water, and after you will mix it everything for a while, you will add peppermint extract. You will mix everything together with the mixer, but you need to take your bowl and put it on a saucepan of hot swimming water. Then you will mix everything for 2 minutes until sugar has dissolved. And after that you will mix everything together for 10 minutes until mixture is stable. And then you will add your coloring and mix it together. I will use 3 colors: red, blue and gray. For decorations I will use piping bags and 1 piping nozzle, so you could see how to make something and decorate these cupcakes. Of course, this frosting or icing isn't so good as cream cheese or buttercream, but it's so fluffy and airy, so I think everyone will enjoy it. And if you haven't seen how I make these cupcakes, you can go and check out my other video how to make cupcakes without cupcake pan. So you could make these cupcakes at home when you don't have any cupcake pan. You saw how I'm decorating these cupcakes with a piping bag and piping nozzle, but you can just put your cupcake in frosting, and as you can see it looks very fluffy. And you also can use your spoon or your knife, so just decorate with that. You can use whatever ways to make your cupcakes very cool and decorate them in every way you want. Also, I'm mixing together 2 colors, like always, for more interesting decorations. So let's see how it will look.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wanted to say, when I started to make my cupcakes few years ago, this was the frosting what I was using because it's money saving and it's very fluffy and airy, and you can use your egg whites. And remember to like this video and subscribe, and if you have any questions you can ask me those below. And remember to follow me on Instagram so you could see these cupcakes in photos. Bye!